Hey, I have been watching you from behind. How did you create entire report under 5 minutes?
Simple, because I've been using the latest AI features of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm able to do all of this work just under 5 minutes.
Can you please teach me the same?
Absolutely, I can.
Hello guys, welcome back. A lot of students has reached out to me asking that Umang, is there any kind of AI technology which can help us write SQL queries? So guys, I have researched out and I have find out a AI technology. Let me tell you about it. So guys, here is Text-to-SQL.ai. What is this going to do is, guys, you need to provide your database, your tables. Okay, so I have this employee table with the columns ID, name, department ID over here. I have the department table over here, and I have the salary payments over here. Okay, so I've just provided this text to SQL.ai, my table names with the structure. Okay, with the column names basically. Okay, so when you provide this and ask this AI a particular question, let's say find the top 3 highest salary over here. So can you see over here? Just click on this and you will find the answer to this. Select star from salary payments, order by amount descending limit 3. So guys, what you can do over here is you can simply ask any kind of questions to this AI and it will respond to it first of all. You can also add your database schema as well. If you don't want to add it, just tap on this. If you want to add it, just tap on this, right? Along with this, guys, if you have let's suppose if you have a lot of queries, right? You have a lot of SQL queries, a long code written over here, right? And you want some AI to explain it. So guys, it has also covered this part. Okay, let me just take a random example over here. So guys, you can see over here, select star from users where state equal to California and credits are greater than 1,000. So assume that there is a kind of query in your system and you want this AI to explain it. So guys, it has explained it very easily. Find all the users who live in California and have over 1,000 credits. So guys, both the sides of the coin it has solved. Okay, if you have a query, you can basically ask this AI to explain it. If you want it to write a query, just give it a data set, just give it a table structure and ask any kind of questions, and it is going to tell you that as well. Okay. So I'm just going to take a random example. Find the most popular products. It has written a query. Let me take another example. You can just see. Guys, this is a freemium kind of service. Okay. First of all, it will provide you free services. After that, it is going to, you need to pay to it. Okay. And guys, any kind of server, PostgreSQL, MySQL server, MariaDB, Snowflake, any kind of thing, you will be able to access it through this text-to-SQL.ai. Okay. And not only this, guys, it has also generated formula for Excel and Google Sheet as well, for regex as well. So guys, this is a complete AI tool which can help you out in SQL, Excel, Google Sheet, regex, and all of these things, guys. So guys, I hope you would like this video and I hope you like this, how this text to SQL works. Okay. So guys, thank you so much.